Hi, I'm Batu from freefincal. If you're planning to work from home and have some extra time to spare, if you have some extra time to spare, or if you plan on staying at home more because of social distancing norms, and if you have some time to spare, here is how you can make the most out of it. Before we begin, you may be familiar with this graph. I had shown the normalized fall of the Harshad Mehta scam, the 2008 crisis, the dot-com crisis, and the crisis that we are currently facing in the markets. The red is the current crisis, and today, this is yesterday's graph. Today, this red line has now merged with the black line with the Harshad Mehta scam. So about in after 17 days of a fall, the current fall is just as devastating as the Harshad Mehta fall in the history of the Sensex. And a couple of more things. The March 2020 Equity Mutual Fund Performance Screener is now available. And then in the morning, I had talked about why the SBI ETF Nifty 50 uh, displayed such a huge disparity between its price and the NAV. You can see that in the graph here. The red dots is the NAV, and that's just fallen down following the Nifty, and the black dots is the price, and the huge disparity. And that's because the authorized participants or the market makers not able to or not willing to square off this difference in good time. That's again brings to highlights the risk associated in ETFs. I've explained this for a layman in this article. You can have a look at that. I'll leave the links in the description box. Now let's get back to uh, social distancing and how to make the most out of it. Now, I'm not. I don't know many things, but I'm certainly. I can call myself as an expert in social distancing, and I have 46 years of experience with it. Practically all my life, I've been socially distant, avoiding people, being a loner, and so on. So I know how to make productive use of time when you are alone. And in my opinion, the best way, there are two things you can do. One is first initially, if you have some extra time, you can use this as an opportunity to firm up your finances, look at your money holistically, learn goal-based investing, make sure all your money is arranged in terms of goals, make sure you're fortified your family with life insurance, health insurance, etc., etc. Prepare and have some emergency cash in hand. All those preparations you can do. I have free ebooks for that, tools for that, plenty of it. You can explore freefincal past videos, plenty of stuff for goal-based investing and setting your money in order. You can do that. All that can be done in about a week or so, and after that, if you have some time to spare and if you're still working from home, and I think you will be, um, then the my suggestion is to try and start something creative. This is the best time for you to start a YouTube channel, start a blog, start writing down your thoughts on anything. Don't expect instant results. Don't expect your posts to become viral on social media immediately, or Google to pick it up and so on. That's not going to happen immediately, but you can get your views out there. Being creative is the best way to pass the time during such times, such a hard time that's facing all of us over the next few weeks. uh, the WHO has given a health warning saying that don't keep watching bad news. It's going to affect your health. It's going to stress you out. So the best way is forward is to be creative, plan on doing whatever you always wanted to do. Start a blog. Think about that secondary income. I've talked about secondary income generation in Monday Money Mantra videos here. Think about that. What are you going to do? How are you going to plan it out, and so on. Some of you may be facing job losses. There was a question asked about when will all this end? When do you think this is going to end? Is this not going to cause a domino effect and recession in every sphere? Uh, I I think yes. There can be no escape from this reality. It's a very harsh reality. The market may or may not reflect this reality immediately. I mean, someone asked, I think, when do you think the Sensex will recover? I think if India is in phase two of fighting the epidemic, if India is able to contain the disease and not get into stage three or stage four, then I think the Sensex will recover after. I don't know how sharply it will or not, but at least it will not fall further, in my opinion, for that will happen in a few days. In any case, it should take a month or so. But then again, the US must also recover, other markets must recover. It will take time. We are now in a connected world, but at the very least, if India is able to handle that much and not slip into stage three, too deep into stage three at the very least, then we can have some kind of recovery in the market. But that doesn't mean the businesses will recover. The business, and that will hit hard on the market later on. The recession will come and hit hard, and the market will not do much, and you may have a sideways market. So the next couple of years are, in my opinion, are going to be very, very, very tough with not much returns going to come in. So if you are in a situation where you are having trouble managing your business, or you're facing a job loss, then this is the time to actually think about alternative sources of income. What can you do? What can you do with your skill set? How you can earn online, and all that. This is the time to put use. My suggestion is be creative. That's the only way you can beat not boredom. Today, in today's world, it's you have something to do. You can just look at all these WhatsApp feeds, Facebook feeds, and avoid boredom. But that's not going to get you anywhere. It's not. You'll still be in the same place. If you want a fulfilling experience, then being creative is the only way. Thinking about a secondary source of income could help. Be creative with a focus. So those are my opinion, the best way forward to handle this current crisis we are in. To be productive when you're practicing social distancing and you're working from home. That's what I wanted to say. If you have any questions or comments about social distancing, I'll be happy to hear it. May God help us all. Bye bye.